What's up, guys? You know who it is. It's Juan. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm bringing you guys a video. Apple just released their MagSafe Battery Pack for the iPhone 12 series, and I got one in hand. This just got released. I just ran to the store to pick it up right now. It only comes in one color, in white. This is going to be the unboxing. I'm going to do it with you guys. This is my first impressions. I have never seen this device. This is my first time. So we're gonna pop it open real quick and let's see how it looks. All right, so it has a slide open here. Pretty nice. It has a nice weight to it. It's pretty weighty, the way it feels so far. Let me take it out the box. You get nothing in the box. So no cord, no Type-C, no lightning cord, nothing in the box. We got some documents here that we don't really care about. Throw that to the side. This is what you guys care about right here. The MagSafe Battery Pack. So we're gonna pull off this plastic. And it feels really nice. It's not a silicone material. To my surprise, it is more of like a plastic. So sorry for the outside noise, guys. I'm filming this so you guys can get the first impressions. Just like I said, I just picked it up. So I'm outside filming this. It feels pretty nice though. It is a plastic. But it's not a cheap plastic. It feels pretty nice in the hand. On the other side here, you have more of like a soft, kind of like a soft silicone material, and you have your MagSafe ring here, as well as the alignment MagSafe notch on the bottom. Yeah, it's a pretty nice size. It is a little on the thick side. I'm gonna bring my iPhone 12. I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let's see how this looks. So this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max, the big boy, and we're gonna put it on the phone and see. So it clips right on the back, and if you turn it around, let's see. I haven't got no MagSafe ring charging indicator or anything. I wonder if it's dead. Let's try this again. So clips right on the back. And nothing. I'm running the iOS 15 beta, so I'm wondering if that's interfering with it. I know the 14.7 had the MagSafe in the software itself where it was capable with it. I'm not getting any indication running iOS 15 beta 3, but like I said, this is how it looks in the back. Pretty nice. That's the size you're gonna expect if you have a 12 Pro Max. I'm gonna take it off again and put it back on. It has a port on the bottom, which is a lightning port. What I'm told is if you charge the phone with your lightning port, it'll also charge the MagSafe battery pack, which means these iPhone 12 series phones have reverse wireless charging compatible. This was a rumor back in the day when these phones got released, but this is the first time we're actually seeing it works. I don't know if I have any battery in this phone. It's not showing me any indication of it charging. As you can see, I have the widget there and nothing. So I'm wondering if that's going to be an iOS 15 issue or if the battery pack just came dead. So let's take a look. It's pretty strong. The battery pack itself is pretty strong. I'm trying to move it side to side. If you tilt it, it does move a little bit, but trying to pull it side to side or up and down, it's pretty snug on there. So it looks pretty good. Like I said, that's gonna be the size you're gonna expect. If you have a mini, of course, it's gonna take a larger amount of the back of the phone because the mini is a lot smaller, or the regular Pro, but this is the Max, this is the big boy. So this is the size you should expect. Let's see, put this down. I'm gonna bring over my case, my AirPods Pro case, so you can get a size comparison. So this is my MagSafe battery pack, and that is the AirPods Pro. They're in a case, but that'll kind of give you a better idea of what size to expect. It looks pretty nice. I don't know if I'm gonna rock it every day in my pocket on the phone, but I do run out of battery a lot because I am a heavy user on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I wanted this so I don't have to be tied to a cord. It looks pretty nice though. I got to admit, it's a little bit thicker than the phone. If you can get a good idea there, it might be the same thickness as a phone with a case on it, like a silicone case or a leather case, it might be the same thickness as that, but as you can see, it's a little bit thicker than the phone. Other than that, like I said, this is my first impressions. I wanted to see if it showed me any indication of MagSafe charging with the little ring when you attach something on it, but it didn't give me that. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's an iOS 15 beta 3 issue or if that's because the battery pack came dead. But so far, like I said, this is my first impressions. This is the MagSafe battery pack from Apple. It just got released today. It's supposed to charge 5 watts when you just have it attached to the phone. When you charge it, it can charge up to 20 watts with a compatible 20-watt block. That's what it explains on the Apple's website. But I have to charge it to get a better idea and see if this works, see if it's an iOS 15 beta issue or not. But as you can see, I don't have any indicator on my widget, and I do have it attached. So I'm gonna charge it, and we're gonna see how this goes. Other than that, like I said, this is my first impressions. I don't know what that dot is on the bottom. Maybe you guys don't know what that is. Maybe a reset button, or maybe some sort of mic hole. I don't know what that can be. Other than that, the only port on there is the lightning port. On top, you don't have anything, or the sides, it's completely flat. And I like it. It looks pretty nice, especially on the gold iPhone. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions or concerns, I can try to answer them as the best that I can. But other than that, like I said, this is my first impressions with the iPhone battery pack, and this is using MagSafe. This is directly from Apple, not a third party. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching the video. Stay blessed. Have a good day. Peace.